Listen, from one accountant to another, you know you've got the skills and you'd like to use them so that you can gain that freedom and be able to work remotely, am I right? And you've been wondering, where can I find some good, solid work from home accounting jobs? Well, look no further, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 9 companies and platforms that are always hiring accounting remote jobs. Not only that, but I'm also going to share with you some ideas and examples of the exact type of accounting work from home opportunities that they are hiring for right now. You also want to stick around till the end, because the last company I'm going to talk about is one that I've personally worked with and that has recently decided to open its gates towards freelancers and work from home. So you don't want to miss that one out. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Laura. I'm a business strategist and a certified accountant. And on this channel, I give you guys the best practical advice on where to find work from home jobs and remote job opportunities and how to apply to them. If that's what you're looking for, then please consider subscribing. I have some really cool videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Also, please do me a huge favor and show some love to the like button. This way we can show the folks at YouTube that this is the kind of content that you want more of, that you want more online jobs, and then they're gonna give you more of that. Thank you so much in advance. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is split the companies and platforms that I want to talk about into 3 categories. First, I'm gonna talk about some smaller companies that are mainly virtual, but that probably you've heard of if you are working already in accounting. Then I'm going to talk about some platforms where you can look for work from home accounting jobs pretty much all over the world. And then thirdly, I'll focus on some really well-known accounting firms and Big Four. So let's get into it. So the first company that I want to talk about is Bench.co. And they claim to be America's largest professional bookkeeping service for small businesses. And lots of startups and small entrepreneurs have started working with Bench.co for their accounting. Now, when you go to their website, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom. And you're going to see they say careers we're hiring. So essentially, what you're going to be able to see when you go to check out the openings are quite a few job openings, mainly across the USA and Canada. And you'll see they range from entry-level bookkeeper to entry-level bench tax coordinator, client coordinator, as well as senior tax advisor remote, and so forth. Quite a lot of opportunities with Bench.co. The next one I want to talk about is accountingdepartment.com. And these guys focus mostly on NetSuite and QuickBooks. They also are 100% US based, and they focus on accounting services for US based companies. Don't worry, if you're not based in the US, I've got something for you as well, so please stick around. So with accountingdepartment.com, if you are based in the US, what you need to do is go to the top of the page here where it says careers. And if you scroll a little bit lower, you'll be able to see all the open positions that they have. We're talking about virtual accounting specialist, accounting supervisor, assistant controller, controller CPA, corporate recruiter, senior controller CPA, and so forth. They also mentioned that they're growing and that all their employees are full-time but remote, that they only ask that you're based in the US, and they promise that you would get quite a lot of benefits. So definitely check them out if you don't mind working full-time and if you just want to work from home in accounting. Accounting department is a good one for you to look into. Next one is Bookminders, and they are a company that's been around for over 25 years, so definitely have some experience in this space. And what you want to do is go all the way to their careers tab. And you're going to see that they have currently accountant part-time openings. So essentially, they tell you that they'll give you a flexible schedule, you can work from home, you have teams and resources, high earnings potential, and a good career development opportunity. They give you all the details about the job responsibilities and requirements, and they say that in order to apply for this position, you would need to be based in Pittsburgh, Philadelphia, Baltimore, King of Prussia, and a few other places within the US. Now, if you're not based in the US or Canada and you do want to have an opportunity to work from home and have accounting background, then you want to look into these platforms because they will have opportunities across many other countries, not only in the US. The first one that I want to talk about is Upwork. So when you come to Upwork, if you don't already have an account, then this is going to be the page that you will land on. When you do have an account, and I do recommend that you create one, it is completely free, you will end up on a page looking like this. So what you're going to be able to do is select specifically a category, and obviously in our case we will be selecting accounting, and if you want to go deeper you can even filter by financial planning and management consulting or purely accounting. I've filtered for all accounting and consulting opportunities. And if you go ahead and type accounting here, again you can go deeper and filter for a specific solution that you're used to using, like QuickBooks or generic financial accounting. And currently there are 4,705 jobs available on Upwork, and they are across many countries and also many different levels of expertise. Another company that I recommend you look into is FlexJobs. FlexJobs is one of those platforms where you can go and look for specific job opportunities. They will be already screening the companies that are posting jobs over there. They'll make sure that they are legit, that there are no scams, and that you have access to the best job opportunities. So what you need to do is when you come to flexjobs.com, you can go ahead and search for accounting. And right now there are 9,384 jobs for accountants. Now, obviously, you can go deeper and look specifically for a certain category job, or if you want a full-time or part-time or flexible schedule, or if you want entirely remote or only hybrid remote work, and so forth. All right, so if you do decide that you want to use FlexJobs, that one opportunity you have is to also subscribe and be part of their community. That will be something that you would need to pay for, but you can just sign up for 1 month and see if that's worthwhile. You don't have to sign up for an entire year. And if you think that's a good opportunity for you and you do want to have access to lots and lots of pre-vetted, validated job opportunities on FlexJobs, there's a link down below in the description that you can use to sign up for them. The next company that I want to talk about is Indeed. And Indeed is a platform that is well known. I don't really need to introduce them to you. What I do want to mention is that when you come to their website, their web page, they will mainly show you opportunities that are relevant for your geography, so for the country that you're based in. So for me, there's going to be lots of opportunities that they will show for Switzerland because this is where I'm based. So what you need to do is in the job search bar, you're going to have to just write accounting remote. And then they're going to show you all the opportunities that are remote within the accounting space. Now, obviously, the number will be less relevant to you because I'm only able to see the ones for Switzerland, but do go ahead and check them out. There are tons and tons of opportunities on Indeed in many of the countries around the world. Now, the last platform that I want to talk about is Fiverr. And Fiverr has evolved tons recently in the last few months and couple years. And they're no longer just a platform where you go to get services for $5. They're the marketplace for services, no matter what kind of services you want to offer. So if you go to fiverr.com and you go to business, then you're gonna have a lot of options here to select from. And what you wanna do is go to financial consulting. And you're going to be able to see all the types of freelancers that already offer their services as financial consultants. And you can further filter for accounting and bookkeeping, or you can choose one of the other ones that might be more suitable to your experience and expertise. The one thing about Fiverr is that you're only able to see your competition. You cannot see the people who are posting jobs or looking for freelancers like you're able to see on Upwork. So this is the only difference. What you would need to do on Fiverr is create your own profile and post the types of services that you're ready to offer to people who are looking to hire anyone experienced in accounting. Now, I want to move on to better known, well-known accounting firms. And the first one I want to talk about is Grant Thornton, because they have quite a few options that are available remotely. So what you want to do is go to their career page, opt for job search. And then what you want to do is in the find jobs field, you want to write remote. And while all of the job options they will show you will be expecting that you're based in the United States, they will mention that they are either remote friendly opportunities or that they allow you to work 100% remote. So you're gonna have to go and check for each of the jobs individually. But as you can see, they have audit associate opportunities, they have accounting analyst as part of their advisory team, IT audit manager, state and local tax professional, and so forth. So actually, there are quite a lot of opportunities that are available within Grant Thornton. And then last but not least, as I promised, I want to talk about PwC. They're a company that I've worked with, that I know really, really well, and I'm excited to see that they've started hiring remotely. Actually, they've recently announced that they're allowing their US employees, over 40,000 people, to work remotely indefinitely. As long as they are still within the boundaries of the USA, they can be based anywhere and continue working with PwC. Not only that, but I know that in some countries, they also started looking into collaborating with freelancers, which is extremely exciting. And I think that opens lots of opportunities on both fronts, both for PwC to tap into this talent pool that exists out there, but also for freelancers that are willing to work or collaborate on a freelancer basis with companies like PwC. So let's take a look at their website and see what kind of opportunities they currently have that are work from home or remote job opportunities. Okay, so what you want to do is when you come to pwc.com, you obviously need to go to their careers page and search for a job. When you go to search PwC experienced career roles, you will land on a page looking like this. So instead of looking for a country or a region, what you're gonna wanna do is search by role name and write remote in that field, and then go ahead and click search. All right, so this is gonna return a list of job opportunities that are available mostly in India, but not only. Actually, there are opportunities in Russia, in the Czech Republic as well. But as I said, for the most part, the remote jobs are open for my Indian viewers. So you're gonna be able to see senior consultant work, tax work, specifically specialized in Canadian corporate tax, consultant, some advisory roles, and so forth. So really keep an eye out on PwC, because even for the US, I expect there will be more and more openings that will allow for work from home or remote type of collaboration. So do keep an eye out for them. I'm sure these are coming up pretty soon based on the announcement that they recently made. All right, you guys, that was it for today. Like this video if you liked it, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also share with a friend who might also be interested in work from home accounting jobs. I'm sure they'll be super grateful, as am I, and as a sign of my gratitude, here's a picture of a kitten. With that being said, I hope you create everyday magic. I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely week, and I hope to see you next time here on Superhumans, the place to be if you're looking to create a fabulous career and master your life. Till next time, bye! And if you want to be able to subscribe, then there's going to be a link down below in the description box that you can use to subscribe. This is really weird. Okay, please cut this out.